At RE Plus 2024 in Anaheim, the future of solar energy took center stage. Industry leaders, innovators, and enthusiasts came together to explore cutting-edge technologies shaping the energy landscape. GoodWe, a global leader in solar inverter manufacturing and a smart energy solution provider, showcased its commitment to the clean energy transition and smart energy management for residential and C&I sectors.
We are happy to be here at RE Plus 2024. We are presenting our smart energy management solutions and integrated solutions. With this, you can install more effectively and improve system lifetime.
From residential rooftops to C&I systems of all sizes, GoodWe's inverters, ranging from 0.7 kilowatt to 350 kilowatt, are designed to be cost-effective while offering more value so customers get more out of their systems. Our mission is to empower communities with sustainable energy, and it's inspiring to see the enthusiasm for smart energy solutions here at RE Plus. With over 5,000 employees across 20 countries, GoodWe continues to be recognized as a global leader, ranking in the top 3 hybrid inverter suppliers and earning multiple industry accolades. Together, we're powering the future of smart energy.